Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. And we're in the GR Sport, and I'm trying to give you some perspective on how noisy these cars are when you're on a road. In the last video you'd have seen me on a particularly well surfaced A road, the A470, and now I'm going to dive onto the A55 North Wales Expressway. Right, we're back to the motorway video. I had a technical difficulty and the camera overheated and wouldn't record any more footage. So I'm actually going now the opposite way down the A55. So this time we're going to jump onto the section of the 55 that's the 50 mile an hour zone, and we'll run into the 70, and then through the magic of video editing, I'll put the video together. So here we go, 50 miles an hour on the motorway. And I'm just going to set the cruise at 50 and let it get on with it. And it'll give you some idea of what the car's like on the motorway. I'm shutting up now. That's the 50 part done. We're into the 70 now. motorway here, and I'm going down to the Black Cat interchange again from a different direction, and then I'm heading to Premier Toyota in Llandudno Junction to go and have a brew and a chat with the lads, because I've got the time to do it. So let's negotiate this lovely roundabout and then drop into Premier. And here we are, Premier Toyota, Llandudno Junction. As you can see, they have an awful lot of cars for sale, and I would say most of them are hybrids. Well, that parking spot has got my name written all over it. That one there. Right. Thanks for watching the video. Please consider clicking the thumbs up button, and please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to come into Llandudno Junction's Black Cat interchange in a minute, so we'll navigate the roundabout and then we'll dive onto the A55 and run up the 55 at speed limits. So here we go. We're just coming up to the Black Cat interchange now. This could be a very, very busy interchange. You've got two roundabouts to negotiate, and you have to get into the correct lane, otherwise you get yourself trapped. People find this roundabout so hard to navigate. I think this roundabout was better before they put all the traffic lights on it, but that's what we've got now. Lots of traffic control. The A55, so I'm going to shut up and let you listen to the car and get some idea of how noisy it is on a motorway. And we're just going to sit at the speed limit, which on this section is 70 miles an hour.